So guys, first click to start, open any browser, go to hp.com, xtag 3 dot, then support, then click to software and driver, click to laptop, scroll down, then guys type hp separator folio. So enter this, okay, then scroll down, select operating system, submit. Okay, if you like using Windows 11, so no worry about that, you can download Windows 10 driver and install in Windows 11. So find out network, so you can see this Wi-Fi driver, okay, just now click to download. Single click to setup, then yes, next, I accept, next, next. So now this is installing by the cmd command. Okay, so no worry about it, after it is completed you just restart your system.